Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Coco, the Senior Sales Associate in JINOO Tools, and we are one of the leading CNC cutting tools manufacturers in China. So let's welcome to our company today. The arrow behind me is our showroom, and you can find the most comprehensive types of drilling tools here. We have also self-innovated 11 different types of drill bits to suit to daily machining demands. So whenever you are in the aerospace or automotive industries, you can always find the best drill bits to tailor your solutions. So as you can see here, we have self-designed the different sizes of the chrome drill to meet in the machining engineering as well as the wind power industries. And over this side, you can find our strongest product, the depot drills, which we can maximize to produce at the 50 times diameter. And over that side will be our step drill bits and the OEM reamers as well as the micro drills. So just contact us to get to best solutions. Here on this part will be our inspection department. So for each of your tools, we'll do the full inspection rather than select it randomly. You can see here was our raw material selection process. We buy from our suppliers like G-Set or Gearing. We'll do it, test it individually. And in this side was our power leg. It's our power leg inspection machinery, which used to test the tool holder's shape to see whether the dimension have some default or not. And for this one was our ruler G3, which was the most advanced testing machine to check the whole tool shapes accordingly. And for these two parts, as you can see, our staff was checking the tool's geometries and the dimensions for each of the drill bits. And here was our appearance part, to see the appearance of our tools have default or not.